H is for happiness that lasts a while. We're learning our ABCs, songs and dances. If you please, join in the fun. Come on and sing, let's learn together. Let's spread our wings. I is for ice cream, a tasty treat. J is for jumping light on our feet. K is for kite, soaring high. L is for laughter, reaching the sky. We're in our ABCs, songs and dances. If you please, join in the fun. Come on and sing, let's learn together. Let's spread our wings. M is for monkey swinging with glee. N is for night, with stars we can see. O is for ocean, waves rolling high. P is for playtime, reaching for the sky. We're learning our ABCs, songs and dances. If you please, join in the fun. Come on and sing, let's learn together. Let's spread our wings. Q is for queen, and Q is for queen in her majestic gown. R is for rainbow colors all around. S is for sunshine warming our day. T is for treasure hidden away. We're learning our ABCs, songs and dances. If you please, join in the fun. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, playing in the sky. W is for wagon, rolling along. X is for xylophone, singing its song. Y is for yellow, bright as can be. Z is for zebra, wild and free.
A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. G for goat. H for hand. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for keyboard. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for pencil. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for T. T for tree. U. U for V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra.